In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your payment method on Squarespace, which is a crucial step for setting up your online store or accepting payments through your website. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, head over to your Squarespace homepage. If you're not sure where to find this, simply open your browser, navigate to the Squarespace website, and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which is essentially the hub for managing your entire site. Here's a little tip. Keeping your login credentials handy or stored safely using a password manager can save you time each time you want to access your site. Now let's move on to the next part. Look towards the top of your dashboard and you should spot a search bar. This is a useful tool for quickly finding various settings or sections within Squarespace, especially for those packed with features like this platform. Click on this search bar. Think of it as your direct line to the settings you need without navigating through endless menus. In the search bar, type in Payments. This directs you to the specific settings page related to your payment options. It's a time saver and keeps the process straightforward instead of manually sifting through different sections. Once you've typed it in, hit Enter to display the relevant results. The next step is to choose a payment method. Squarespace offers various payment processing options, from popular ones like Stripe and PayPal to others that may suit different business needs. Examine these options and choose the one that aligns best with your business requirements. For instance, if you're looking to process credit card payments directly on your site, Stripe might be an ideal choice. Alternately, if you prefer a service widely recognized and trusted by users for checkout, PayPal can be a great option. Once you've selected your preferred payment method, you'll see a Connect button associated with it. Go ahead and click on Connect. Here, Squarespace will guide you through the linking process, often redirecting you to your chosen payment provider's login page to authenticate and permit the connection. If you're a first-timer, you might need to create an account with the payment provider. Or if you already have an account, just log in and authorize the integration. Following these steps ensures your website is equipped to handle transactions efficiently, providing a seamless experience for your customers. Remember, enabling a convenient payment option not only facilitates ease of transactions, but also enhances the trustworthiness and professionalism of your online presence. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to linking your payment on Squarespace. With these fundamentals in place, you're well on your way to running a successful online store, equipped to handle actual sales. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to subscribe for more guides like this one. Have a fantastic day.